After completing this lesson, you will be able to create a new project file, add frequently used folders, select the Folder Options Templates metric option, and review Content Center standards. In File Explorer, I've created a bottle filling station folder, and underneath that folder I've created 5 subfolders: Assemblies, Drawings, Parts, Presentations, and Purchase Parts. With those created, we can now go over to Autodesk Inventor and create a new project. From the My Home page, I could go to Launch Projects. I'm going to go to File, Manage, Projects. In the Projects dialog box, we can see the names of 4 projects currently available. I'm going to click on New, Next for a single user project. The name of the project will be Bottle Filling Station. And the location of the project workspace folder, I'm going to set that to a folder on my hard drive, the D drive, and I've created a folder already. You'll be doing the same thing, called Bottle Filling Station, with 5 folders. Click OK, then click Next. I'm not going to be adding any libraries, so we can click Finish. The project file is created, and it's the active project. Let's look at some of the options. Under Appearance Libraries, there are 3. The one in bold is the active library, Material Libraries, and under Workspace, we see the name Workspace. I'm going to edit that and change it to Station. And the folder is the bottle filling station that we created. Click in the background. Workgroup Search Paths and Libraries will leave. Right-click on the frequently used subfolders and add a path. Now those 5 folders come into play. The first one is Assemblies. Let's go to the location of that Assembly subfolder and select it. Then click OK. Click in the background. Let's do one more. Right-click, Add Path. Change the name from Folder, and in this case it'll be Drawings. Go to the location of the Drawing subfolder. Select that, and click OK. I've gone ahead and created the other 3, Parts, Presentations, and Purchase Parts. Under Folder Options, I'm going to right-click on Templates, Edit. Currently it's pointing to the EN-US folder. And all of those templates are available. I'm going to narrow it down to Metric, so select Metric. And in Options, we'll leave all those the same. Over to Configure Content Center Libraries, and we'll note there are check marks beside all of them. I'm going to remove some of those check marks so that when we search in the Content Center libraries, there'll be far fewer to select from. Click OK. Save those changes and click Done. Let's start a new file and see what the effects are. So immediately we can see only metric templates are available. Start a standard part file. Let's create a simple part. So we'll go to Start, 2D Sketch. Select the XZ plane. Then a rectangle, any dimension. Finish the sketch. Press E on the keyboard for Extrude. The single profile is selected. Click OK. Now when we save this file, we see the folder names. Now you'll notice that there's one called Old Versions. That was created when we created the project file. You can delete that. In the window pane on the left, you see the frequently used subfolders we created, from assemblies down to purchased parts, and you'll also notice the path to those. Content Center Files is the default folder. With that complete, we can now move on to Application Options and Document Settings in the next lesson.